Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.2, question number 10. Show that the given points form a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is given. Now, here, let us put the points in the figure. Let it be A is 2.5, 3.5. B is 10 minus 4. And point C is 2.5. 2.5 and minus 2.5, and point D is minus 5 and 5. Here, note here that not in the scale. Figure is not in the scale. Now, let us find the slope of each line. For slope of AD, slope of AD means AD is here, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is equal 3.5 minus 5, 3.5 minus 5 over 2.5 minus of minus plus 5, which is equal 1.5 over 7.5. 1.5 minus, here D is minus 5 here. D is minus 5 and 5. Then 3.5 minus 5 and 2.5 minus of minus 5. 5 minus 3.5 and 2.5, which is equal 1 over 5. By cutting it becomes 1 over 5. Now this, let it be m1. Then slope of BC, slope of BC equal BC, B is here, BC here is y2 is minus 4, minus 4 of minus of 2.5, minus 4 minus of minus plus is 2.5 over 10 minus 2.5, which is equal minus 1.5. Here minus comes because 3.5 minus 5 is 1, that's 1 minus 1.5. Then here, which is 7.5, is minus 1 over 5. Let it be m2, slope m2. Then slope of AB, slope of AB, look at this figure. AB is 3.5 minus of minus 4 plus 4, that is 3.5 plus 4 over 2.5 minus 10 equal 7.5 over minus 7.5, which is equal minus 1. Let it be m3. Then slope of CD, slope of CD equal, C is here, y value is minus 2.5 of minus 5 over 2.5 minus of minus 5 plus 5, 2.5 plus 5, which is equal minus 7.5 over 7.5, which is equal minus 1. Let it be equal M4. Now look at these slopes. M1 is 1.5, M2 is 1.5, which means both slopes are equal here. M1 equal M2 and slopes M3 is minus 1, M4 is minus 1. So, and M2, M3 equal M4. Therefore, we can say M1 and M2, M1 is the slope of AD. Now, we can say AD is parallel to BC, and next is AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, you can say AB is parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD. Therefore, we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. Also, we'll find the midpoints of the diagonal. So, now we'll calculate midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, look at here. A is 2.5, 3.5, 2.5 minus 2.5. So we have to add x values and y values. X is 2.5 and 2.5 by 2. 2.5 plus 2.5 by 2, comma, same y values, 3.5 minus 2.5. 3.5 minus 2.5 by 2. So which is equal 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5, comma, 3.5 minus 2.5 is 1. 1 by 2. That is half. This you can write instead of 0.5 you can write. Now similarly you can find midpoint of BD equal, look at this point B. B is here 10 minus of minus 5. No, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5, that is x and x 10 minus 5 over 2 and minus 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equal 5 by 2, that is 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 by 2 is 2.5 and 0.5. So both point indicates the same point here, because look at these points, it is 2.5, 0.5 and 2.5, 0.5. Therefore, now both indicate AC and BD intersect bisect each other. Bisect each other. Each other at point. Therefore, we can say the above conclusion: A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Now, question number Question number 11. The points A, 2, 2, B, minus 2, minus 3, C, 1 and 3, D, X and Y form a parallelogram. Then find the value of X and Y. Look at this. Question number 11. Here the points are given. A is 2, 2. B is minus 2, minus 3. And C is 1, minus 3. And D is X and Y. Here they form a parallelogram, then find the value of X and Y. The points are forming parallelogram. Therefore, midpoint of AC, midpoint of BD, is equal midpoint of, because it's a forming a parallelogram, so midpoint, that is bisect each other, diagonal bisect each other. So midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC is equal. So midpoint of BD is here B and D minus 2 and X, minus 2 plus X by 2, and Y values BD, that minus 3 plus Y by 2 is equal. Midpoint of AC is here, this and this, that is 2 plus 1 by 2 and 2 minus 3 by 2. So here minus 2 plus X by 2 equal, this value is 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, which gives 2 to cut. So X equal 3 plus 2, which is equal 5. Then Y value, equating Y value, that is minus 3 plus Y by 2, minus 3 plus Y over 2 is equal 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. First write minus 2 minus 3 by 2, 2 to cut both sides, which gives Y is 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 equal 2. So we got the values of X and Y. X equal to 5, Y equal to 2. We got X and Y values. Next, question number 12. Let A 3 minus 4, B is 9 minus 4, C is 5 minus 7, and D is 7 minus 7. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Now let us write the points first. Question number 12. Let the points A is 3 minus 4. Point B is 9 minus 4. And C is 5 minus 7. And D is 7 minus 7. Now, for trapezium, any one set of parallel sides are parallel and other are non-parallel. Now, slope of AB is equal, let it be M1, is equal, slope of AB is here, minus 4 and 9, 3. So, minus 4 plus of minus 4, minus 4, minus of minus 4 is plus 4 by 9, 9 minus 3, 0 by 6 equal to 0. and slope of CD, is, let it be M2. CD, look at here, C and D, minus 7 of minus 7, that is minus 7 of minus 7 is plus 7 over 7 minus 5. 0 by 2 is 0. Now the slope M2. Here both slopes AB and slope M3 also you can find. Slope of BC, let it be M3. Slope of BC is here, B and C, which is minus 7 of minus 4, minus 7 of minus 4 over 5 minus 9, which is equal minus 7 plus 4 by minus 4, minus 3 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4. Let it be M3. Then M4, slope of AD, is, let it be M4, AD. A is here, D is here, minus 7 of minus 4, minus 7 of minus 4 over 7 of 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, which is equal minus 7 plus 4 by 4, which is equal minus 3 by 4. Let it be this M4. Now, from the given conditions, we can write M1, slope M1 is equal to M2 and M3 is not equal to M4. From this condition, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, AB CD is a trapezium. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.